Okay, guys, so here we are. This is the Trend 1300. Mono, crystal, and diamond. Unique clearance channels on course side for faster cut and swarth removal. Used with Trend lapping fluid. So we have that. And it comes in a pouch. I got this from Woodcraft. It cost me a few more bucks than Amazon, but I want to be able to have a store around. Okay, and here's a manual. Diamond whetstone. Now, the reason I got this was Rob Cosman. I hope they didn't send me the wrong one or anything. Nope, it's the 16,000. Nicely packaged. Ooh, look at that. Oh, this just feels wonderful. I did order one of these holders. To put the stone in. I know Rob Cosler says that you should buy the Shapton model, but I can't justify spending that money if this $15 unit will work. This is the wrong way. Okay. Now, before I bought the Trend stone, I purchased this unit off eBay. It's a 400 1000 stone, and it actually works. I just don't like the feel of it. The Trend stone, the 300 side has this, but the 1000 does not. So we have the new Shapton 16,000 grit, the Trend 300 and 1000, and as I said, I have bought this because Rob Cosman really spoke highly of these products. I went to Woodcraft to buy his kit, which is these products put together, and they are out of stock. So I just went to Amazon and put this together. Okay, this blade has not been sharpened or really flattened at all, so we're gonna do this. Let's get some. This is the Trend honing fluid. I really don't know how much to put on there. Okay, I'm noticing some where the tip of this blade has dug in here just as minutely. Hopefully that isn't hurting it. It is sharp. Quite sharp. annoying. Very fine translucent shaving. So to recap, I just pretty much followed Rob Cosman's formula here, and I don't have a sharpening station per se, but this is a real step up. So I'd just like to go over, when I first started getting into planes, I bought the Wen sharpening system. Then I bought the Scary Sharp sharpening system, the granite slab sandpaper. So I have gone down a rabbit hole. I think this is going to be it. And I wished I could change a bunch of stuff, but I can't, and it is what it is. So we'll let it go there. I don't know if I'm going to build a sharpening station per se. I'm running out of room in my shop, so I'm not a big fan of sharpening. I understand it's a must, but so anyway, that concludes my Shapton 16,000 and my Trend 1000 diamond stones. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you further on down the trail.